Imagine turning $1 into thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can do these things without even being employed on a good job or starting big businesses. So how are we going to do these things? We have something very interesting that the rich people normally use them. It's normally called compound interest. Okay, in case you are watching this channel for the first time, click the subscribe buttons, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Whenever you produce a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. Okay, guys, now let's dive in. What is compound interest? Let's talk about compound interest. Now, compound interest is just earning interest from the amount that you have already saved, and still the same amount they earn another interest. Now that is now the analogy of compound interest. Let me say, like, it's like a planting a tree. When I plant a tree today, let me say it's a tree that normally give me fruits. It will grow. Then after some times, this tree will give me fruits. Then those fruits in Tazila, again it will drop some seeds inside of that shamba. Again this tree then it will grow. So that is how the principle of compound interest is. It's just simply the amount that you put there, and this money starts to accumulate slowly by slowly. As you grow, then pesa nazo pia zinazidi kugrow pole pole. Okay, we have to understand now. We take the real example in Kenyan setup. Assume that we are living in Kenya and you have only 1,000 Kenyan shilling. Then decide that now this 1,000 Kenyan shilling, I want to accrue them in compound interest. How am I going to do it? Let's take that this 10,000 is, this 1,000 is giving you as compound interest of 10% per month. This 10% per month, you realize that at the end of a 1 month, or rather a year, you could have accumulated close to 1,200. This 1,200, you can still do what? When you multiply it by 10, you realize at the end of 10 years, you have already accumulated 1,020 Kenyan shillings just from 1,000 Kenyan shilling. You decided to begin to save it. Ikitu ni symbol. When you begin with 1,000, then there's interest that will be accumulating on that interest as we go. That's now the power of compound interest. Now we have to master the rule of the golden three. So the rule of the golden three, it works like this one. You have to start early. Whatever little you have, you can start with 100 bob. Then you have to do what? To be consistent. When you start it, save it and invest monthly. Be consistent. After that, you have to do something that's called, you have to let it grow. Useke tamaa nyingi. Let it grow. Save there, wait until the time it anza kujipa, then you will go and withdraw your money. But for that, wait it to grow slowly. And now we have to avoid this bad debt, or rather to avoid having a lot of debts in your circle. And now we have to do, someone may ask me, where will I save this 1,000 or rather 100 bob you are talking about? We have, let me talk about the three best one. You can take to save in money market fund. It's do great. I did a video on money market fund. You can go and check it. You have to do in circles. These circles, they have you can save in circles, then you will get what you normally call dividends. Then you have something that call this treasury and government bonds that are best for you. You can still do it. Then you have the stocks market. It can still work for you if you are starting and you have low as 500 per month. Okay, compound interest, it's not a margin. It is just math that you can do. Then you let it to run slowly by slowly, and it works like a margin. You build your wealth slowly. In case you find this video helpful, click that subscribe buttons, then allow the notification buttons to be on. Favored Mwaro, I'm out. See me in the next video.